Hi guys, so I want to tell you guys why I stopped trading Forex and why I've stopped uploading videos on this channel. So let me just dive straight into it. The reason I stopped is because of Donald Trump. When Donald Trump came into power, we made a lot of money because new president was elected. But when he came into power, he came with a lot of policies like tariff. During this period, the market was unstable. And during that period, I won't lie to you, during those tariff period, I lost a lot of money, especially when US and China started their tariff or trade war. It was very serious during that period of time. So it was very difficult, and then I started withdrawing from the market a little bit because market was unstable. Because today we place tariff on a particular country, tomorrow is going to lift it, tomorrow is going to place tariff on on a commodity, and tomorrow is going to lift it, and all these things just affect the market positively, negatively. So you may predict the market will go up today, tomorrow is going to see something that is going to bring the market down again. So because of that, I was losing money. So this is why I actually withdraw from the market up to this moment. But now, I know Donald Trump has not, tariff is gone, yes, fine and good, but they still come with a lot of issues. Take, for example, now the issues with Iran is also one of those things that can actually affect the market. And as you can see, the stock market was affected negatively at some point. But these are the issues his tenure has been affecting, for especially for those of us that are trading US stock market. It has been of up and down. So this is one of the reasons why I stopped. So I want to encourage you guys, whenever you are trading any market, if you are trading European market, Asian, you want to be sure of the policies that are being made in those countries that are affecting the economy, because these things is going to affect how the investors view the market, and it's going to affect how the market eventually react. So you want to understand that. So but now I'm back into the market because I feel that the market is more stable now. And so from henceforth, I will be uploading videos, I will be showing my analysis, I will be teaching you guys how to better look at the market instead of just depending on technical analysis alone. How to source for information, how to make use of that information for better decision, okay, in terms of trading. So if you are new to this channel, this is one of the channels that you will find raw and intelligent information that can actually make you a profitable trader. So don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And I also want to use the opportunity to also tell my followers that have subscribed to this channel, that are still here, that I so much appreciate your love, your kindness for staying here, and for showing me love and kindness. So because of this, I will probably try to organize some kind of free training for you guys, so that we can all learn how to make this money and how to consistently be profitable.